It's Chantel with Wildberry Quilting, and I'm hoping that my camera is recording right. It came up with a new little thing in the corner, so I'm really hoping that everything's, you know, still good. If you notice any differences, let me know. But I got a big box from Etsy. I ordered 2 very fun things, and I can't wait to get into them and show you what they are. Now, these, I've had my eye on both of these things, and just happened to be that the Etsy shop had both of them in stock and at a really good price. So the Etsy shop is called Material Girl Chic, and I will link her down below so that you can find her. Lots of paper. She padded everything nicely so that nothing would get hurt. And I got lots of fabric. You want to find out what they are? Let's take a look. First, we have, can you see it? It's strawberry season. Now, I am not going to go all the way through this bundle for you because I have already shown you guys this bundle as a turn pack in, I believe it was my last Missouri Star video. So check that out if you would like to see that and see each of the prints, or if you want me to go through it in the larger pieces of fabric, let me know in the comments and I'll do that for you, because I'm always happy to go through and play with fabric. You don't have to ask me twice. And this other one I will go through for you because you haven't seen this one yet. It is called Picnic Florals. And this tag is hiding a lot of it, so you can't really see what it is, but you can kind of get an idea of the colors. Aren't they beautiful? Now, it's by Riley Blake, and there are 21 pieces in this bundle. And this is very difficult to pick apart. They're not. All right, there we go. I got it. Ooh, okay. First one. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I love the colors. There's the back of it so you can see a little bit more of the print. Very beautiful. Ooh, we've got a whole bunch of different florals on this one. Oh, okay. You can see with this print why I fell in love. Oh, those beautiful strawberries and the flowers. Oh my gosh. Yep. Once I saw that, it was all over. And we've got some pink florals. And actually, there's a second one, but this one is a little bit lighter pink. Let me hold up that first one so you can see them together and get an idea. There we go. I actually really like that lighter one. Very pretty. And then we've got that first one, but with a yellow background. And it's kind of a summery yellow, maybe not quite buttery yellow. I call this one more of a buttery yellow. It's just a shade lighter. And again, that's that floral, that heavy floral print. Oh, more strawberries. Look at those. I love it. Oh, and I love this tiny little pin dot polka dot as well. Oh, it's so yummy. I love it. Oh, again, I really like this one too. Actually, I kind of think I like this even more than those pink ones. Although I like that light pink one a lot too, so I'm not sure which one I like better between those. And we've got this beautiful little lime gingham print. It's a bit lighter than when it's showing on camera. It's definitely more like a lime. Oh, that's probably a little bit more close to the color. And we've got some stripies. I don't know if you can tell this, but there's actually 3 colors on this. There's a white, there's a very light lime, and then there's a little bit darker lime. And oh, we've got strawberries in green. Try and hold it back far enough for you to actually, there we go. That's true to color. Oh, this is like Christmas. I love this so much. Oh, what pattern am I going to use these with? You have any ideas? What do you think I should use these with? Oh, and this one is like that green one where it was actually 3 colors, but this one is white and red and pink. Oh, and then we've got a beautiful, very picnicky looking gingham print. I just love ginghams. They're so much fun. They remind me of summertime, like little summer sundresses. So do these pin dots. I love a very sweet little pin dot too. And we've got a light pink with little pink, a little bit darker pink dot, pin dots as well. And another pinstripe. And this one again is 3 colors. It's white, light pink, and darker pink. And last but not least, we have this beautiful pink gingham. And their ginghams are actually really pretty. I love gingham to begin with, but there are definitely different styles of gingham, and some of them I like more than others. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to hit like and subscribe, and don't forget I am going to include the Etsy shop link in the description. So, support a small business if you see something you like. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.